Confidence isn't the belief that you're superior to anyone. Confidence is the calm understanding that you don't need to compare yourself to anyone at all. The moment comparison fades, pressure fades with it. The moment competition disappears, insecurity disappears too. You stop chasing approval. You stop questioning your worth. You simply exist as yourself, fully, unapologetically, and powerfully. You are not above anyone. You are not beneath anyone. You are simply you, and that is enough. Confidence begins when you decide that your value isn't measured by other people's opinions, reactions, or expectations. You don't become worthy someday in the future. You don't earn worth through achievements or validation. You are worthy right now, and your mindset is the only thing that needs to catch up to that truth. Confidence is a skill. It can be built, it can be strengthened, it can be trained like a muscle. And the first place to start is your body. Think about how a confident person stands. Tall posture, shoulders back, eyes forward, head lifted. You recognize confidence instantly, not because they're loud, but because they carry themselves with certainty and intention. Even shy or introverted people can develop confidence. Some people simply have to unlearn years of self-doubt and replace it with new habits. But anyone can grow into a stronger version of themselves. Even the quietest people have moments where they feel safe, with family, close friends, or someone they trust. Those moments prove something important. Your shyness isn't permanent, it's selective. Which means confidence can become your new normal if you choose to show up as your true self everywhere, not just around the people who make you comfortable. Confidence isn't about being the loudest voice in the room. It's not about demanding attention or forcing presence. It's the opposite. It's the calm knowing that you don't need to be seen to know your value. It's the quiet strength, the steady energy, the grounded power. It's the inner champion that doesn't need applause to feel real. If you lack confidence, you can change. If you lack anything, you can change. You can reshape your personality, your habits, your energy, your entire identity if you're willing to commit to the work. You can become someone who walks with purpose, speaks with clarity, and moves with intention. You can become someone who trusts themselves deeply, someone who doesn't shrink, someone who doesn't apologize for existing. Confidence grows when you keep promises to yourself, when you show up even when you're uncomfortable, when you take small risks that build into bigger courage, when you stop running from your potential and start stepping into it. Every day you choose to act with intention, you strengthen the foundation of who you are. Unlock the version of you that's been waiting. The version filled with certainty, purpose, and positive power. The version that knows how to stand tall even when life feels heavy. The version that refuses to dim its light. The version that understands confidence isn't a performance, it's a decision. Today is the day you rise. Today is the day you step into your authentic strength. Today is the day you stop comparing and start becoming.